Hi beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. God bless you guys. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Style. A happy weekend to you all, and I'm wishing you guys all the blessings you've expected. So today, check out those beautiful styles. You can see it has this beautiful and sleek pixie. It has the finger waves, so teeny afro and body. So if you're a lover of the short haircuts, I just want you guys to watch this video to the end, because these are exciting short hairstyles that will make you look gorgeous, that will take many years off your age. And this video today and the haircut, they are really featuring some hair color that will make you look radiant. And this hair color is a color that will suit your personal style and your complexion. And you can see you can achieve this using the kings and coils. The kings and coils will give you this kind of laden and look you're seeing right now. So you can see with this on your natural hair, you're going to look beautiful, and it will definitely turn eyes in every occasion or when you go out. So if you really want that kind of style that will make you look gorgeous, kings and coils will help you to give you this kind of defined sleek down. And kings and coils, you can get it for about $15 to $20. You can check it on Amazon, AliExpress. You can also check it through Step the Barber, because he is the CEO of this product, and it's based in Atlanta, Georgia. So you can also book online to get this product, or you can also check my description box, because you will see the link on how you can get the kings and coils that will give you this beautiful defined pixie cut. So whether you want the waves, the finger waves to twist out, or you want defined coils on your teeny weeny afro, the kings and coils or the MIELLE kit to give you this beautiful and shiny haircut that will always enhance your face features. So let you guys to watch this video to the end. Let me know your mind on how you feel about this hairstyle. You all are awesome. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and still look to Wendy Styles. See you guys in my next video.
What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Whoa. Now wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love the past, the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love the past, the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love the past, the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love the past, the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What done to me, I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? What have you done to me?